grandpa taught me. Okay, ready? So you're gonna hold your breath for 5 seconds and then you're gonna swallow, like gulp. Ready? Like, so practice. Try swallowing.
Oh.
Like that, okay? Ready? So you're gonna hold your breath. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now you hiccuped in between. Okay, try it one more time. Okay, ready? So do you know how to swallow? Do you know how to swallow? Okay, Andrew, focus. Look at me. Okay, ready? In the count of 3, we're gonna hold our breath and then swallow. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1. Okay, did you ready? We're gonna scare you. Hey, ready? I'm just gonna scare you. Ready? Rah!
Rah!
Wait, scare Bubba.
Ew.
Rah! I think it worked. Is your hiccups done? No. Hey, is your hiccups done?
Yeah.
Are they gone? Oh my God, high five! It worked. No, you just hiccuped. You hiccuped. You gotta follow Jenny. Ready? Look at me. Ready? Let's do this. Let's fight it. Ready?
I have more.
On the count. I know. I have the cure. Hey, don't push brother. Look at Tay. Ready? You're gonna hold your breath. And then you're gonna swallow really hard. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now swallow. There you go. I think that worked. Come here. Did it work? Is there any more? No? It worked on him. Look. They're gone. He's in shock.
Are your hiccups?
Oh, no. No.
Do you know how to hold your breath?
Do you know how to swallow? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now swallow. 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 Here, drink water. Okay, that's what we're going to do. Okay, ready? Ready? Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, ready? Okay, now swallow. Okay, all right. You want to try? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4.
He just wants a little water.
Okay. Lucy, get this thing off me. Oh,
A mess.
oh, miss.
A mess.
It's on me. I want a Diet Coke. I don't know what's wrong with me.
Mommy. Come on.
Is there another one in there?
Yeah, there's like 2 more.
Oh, okay, can you hand me one too?
Oh my God.